How often do we say, I'll start tomorrow? We keep waiting for the perfect time to start something like eating healthy, exercising, and even working on our dreams. But what if tomorrow never comes? What if you wake up years later realizing you wasted so much time waiting? I know this feeling very well. I spent years waiting for the right moment to restart my career, waiting to become a mother, waiting for life to happen the way I planned. But one day I asked myself, what if things don't go as I planned? Will I just keep waiting forever? That was my wake up call. And today I want to share with you why we cannot afford to waste our time and health, and how you can start making the most of your life right now. After marriage, I thought I had time. I put my career on hold, thinking I would pick it up later. Then I spent 4 years trying to conceive. Till I am, thinking that would be my purpose in life. But when things didn't go as I planned, I felt stuck. I kept asking, what now? Would my life stop? Would I stop growing? At first, I let overthinking and self doubt take over me. My mental and physical health deteriorated until I reached a crucial realization that life is not about waiting for the things to happen. It's about taking action with the time we have. I decided that if I couldn't control certain things, I would focus on what I could control. And that's when my life started changing. I realized that I was more than just one role. I had dreams, passions, and potential that I was ignoring. And I didn't want to waste another second waiting. Let me tell you the lessons I have learned these years. Lesson 1 is don't let overthinking steal your life. Overthinking is a silent thief. It steals our energy, motivation, and time. We worry about the things we cannot control, and in the process, we neglect the things we can. We waste so much time overthinking, worrying about things we cannot control, like, what if I fail? What will people say? What if it's not perfect? But here is the truth: if you cannot control it, let it go. If you can control it, improve it. I started focusing on what I could change: my health, my mindset, and actions. And you know what? My overthinking reduced, my depression faded, and my confidence grew. What helped me stop overthinking? Brain dumping. I started writing down my thoughts. This helped me clear my mind and focus on solutions. Mindfulness and gratitude. I started appreciating what I had instead of focusing on what I didn't. Taking action. Instead of overthinking what could go wrong, I started focusing on what I could do. If you are stuck in your head, remember this: overthinking won't change your future, but taking action will. Second lesson I learned is your health is your most valuable asset. When we waste time, we also waste our health. Neglecting our bodies leads to more pain, less energy, and missed opportunities. We take our health for granted until it's too late. How I changed my health? I started moving daily. Even just 10 minutes of stretching or walking made a difference. I fixed my posture and daily habits. Poor posture leads to chronic pain. Small adjustments can prevent big health problems. I focused on nutrition. Eating better improved my energy and mental clarity. Your body is the only place you have to live. If you take care of it, it will take care of you. The third lesson I learned is stop waiting. The best time to start something is now. At first, I thought getting a job would fix everything. But after applying for months with no response, I kept waiting for the perfect time to restart my career, to feel ready. But then I realized there is no perfect time. I asked myself, what if this too doesn't happen? Will I stop here? No. That's when I created my own opportunity. I started a YouTube channel, not just to earn money but to help people, and that changed everything. The moment I focused on giving rather than waiting, I felt alive again. The only time we truly have is now. What helped me take action? I stopped seeking perfection. Just starting, even imperfectly, builds confidence. I took small steps daily. Tiny progress is still progress. I didn't wait for approval. We often wait for others to validate us. but the only approval you need is your own. If you are waiting for a sign, this is it. Start now. Even if it is small, just start. Take care of your mind, take care of your body, and most importantly, take control of your time. Life is precious and finite. Every moment we spend waiting is a moment we can never get back. The time to start living fully is now. Ask yourself, what one thing have you been postponing that you could start today? Remember, even the smallest step forward is progress. Your journey doesn't have to mirror anyone else. What matters is that you begin. Take care of your mind, nurture your body, and most importantly, start living intentionally. If you found this video relatable and valuable, give it like, share, and subscribe my channel. Tell me in the comments what one thing you will stop postponing. Let's take action together.